Hey George, this is Aria Oliver with Phoenix Marketing Path, and I wanted to show you some ways and some things that you can do today to bring in more clients. I found that a lot of businesses are way too busy running their business and they don't have the time to market it, or they don't know how to market it correctly. So I decided to share a free plan of attack with you. And at the end of this video, if you like what you heard and you want to hear more of ways that I can help bring in more clients, shoot me a message. If not, you can simply take this plan of attack and execute it at no charge. The three things I want to go over in order to help you increase your online presence and drive traffic are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. And in order to drive traffic from search engines like Google, you wanted to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, which it looks like you have a great amount of words on your homepage. However, you want to have the correct words on your homepage. For instance, your first word that it seems like you want to rank for is Pool Maintenance Service Phoenix. When I go into the back end of that word, it's not a lot of search volume on that word. Underneath that, you have cleaning and maintaining pools. That's what we do. It's hard for a potential client to even read what that says. So I would advise just making this bold or making this in black. You do have some links, active links on your site, which is a good sign. However, I would also add in a call to action phone number link down here. A lot of people are searching on their mobile devices, and it would be easier for them to just click on a link that's going to directly call you instead of having them like search for your phone number on your website. Another thing I want to address is your, it looks like you have links going to your back pages. However, there are no follow links. You definitely want to add in do follow links because you're not even giving your back pages any power by adding in no follow links. And I'll explain more about do follow and no follow links later on in this video. I also want to scroll down to see if you're adding keywords behind your photos. So if I click on this photo and I go to save image as, what comes up is pool cleaner, which is a keyword. I would also add more keywords behind this photo, like pool repair Phoenix, pool repair services Phoenix, a lot more words so that you can rank on Google Images. So the next thing I want to do is look at one of your competitors and see what they are doing in order to rank on Google. So if I look at poolfix.com, which is one of your top competitors online, looks like they're ranking for swimming pool service and repair. They also have their phone number right here. It doesn't look like it's a call to action number. So by adding that link into your website, you can definitely outrank them on Google. If I click on their photo and I go to save as, looks like they are saving their photo as keywords like swimming pool service and repair, remodeling, resurfacing, and Phoenix. So some great keywords. So you definitely want to go in and add some more keywords behind your photo. The next thing I want to do is kind of compare your keywords to theirs. So I use a system called Ahrefs, and it allows me to see the back end of any website. It looks like you currently have over 1,000 keywords onto your website, and you're ranking for 457. And if I look at PoolFix, they only have about 876 keywords in their website, and they're ranking for about 298. But they're outranking you, which lets me know that you are ranking for the wrong keywords. So if I deep dive further, so swimming pool service and repair is one keyword that they're currently ranking for, and that word generates a volume of over 200, which just lets me know on average around 200 people search for this word in your area. Pool service and repair, around 100 people search for this word in your area. So now I want to take a look at the words that you are ranking for. So right now, so above ground Pools, AZ, 150 people are searching for that word. You're ranking number 1. Pool service Phoenix, 250 people are searching for that word, and you're ranking number 5. So I know, let's see. Let's sort this by your positioning, right? So the word pool maintenance Phoenix, Arizona is the word that you are trying to rank for, it seems like, because it's at the top and it's in your title, and only 10 people are searching for that word a month. So that's not really helping you much. Pool maintenance Phoenix, only 80 people are searching for that word. So you definitely want to make sure that you are trying to rank for words that people are currently searching for. Because if I look at the top position of words that you have, only thing that people are really searching for that you're in the top position for is above ground pools, AZ. 150 people are searching for that a month, and you have the top position. But besides that, you aren't really ranking high for any of the other words that you currently have. So we would definitely go in and make sure that you have the right type of content to outrank your competitors, right? So the next thing that I want to talk about are citations. So if I go to Google, so pool repair Phoenix is a top keyword in your area. On average, 200 people are searching this word on Google. And this right here is just a paid ad, which about 20% of people click on the paid ads. The other majority of people either click on this map right here, which is the Google Map Pack, or the organic ranking websites down here. So first I'm going to start with the Google Map Pack. And in order to get in one of the top positions on the Google Map Pack, you definitely have to add in citations. And what citations are online directories that have your company's name, your company's address, and your company's phone number. So if I look at the Map Pack and see what number you're ranking on, let's see. You're down here, so you're ranking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you're in the 13th position for that word. So I want to look at how many citations you have compared to your competitors. So I use a site called WhiteSpark, and it allows me to see how many citations you have compared to your competitors. Right now, you currently have 35, and PoolFix, one of your competitors, has 55 under its home name and around 19 under a keyword swimming pool service and repair. So I would first add another like 65 more citations to your homepage so that you can totally dominate your competitor, and then we'll gradually increase from there. That way you can outrank all of your competitors. So the next thing that I want to take a look at are backlinks. So if I go back to Google and I scroll down to these organic ranking websites, for Pool Repair Phoenix, it looks like you are ranking at number 8. And in order to increase that number, you're definitely going to want to add in what we call backlinks. And what backlinks are other websites giving your website power. So let's say that there was a website that actually sold pools. So on their website, they would have something like, for your pool repairs, check out pooldaddy.com, right? And their traffic will click on that link, and it will link them back to your website, right? So let's see how many backlinks you have compared to your competitors. So if I go back to Ahrefs and I search your website, it lets me know that you have over 700 backlinks. Which is a good amount. However, if I click on your competitors, they only have over 200 backlinks. So you have way more backlinks than them, but they're outranking you, which lets me know that you don't have the correct backlinks. You don't have the right backlinks that are giving you the right power. So if I check out your website, and I scroll down, it looks like you have a link from your home page that's linking back to one of your back pages. And you're not even giving yourself power. It's a no follow link. What no follow links are, majority of the time, like if you pay for an ad on another website, and they will put your link in their website, but they will tell Google, hey, like, don't follow this company. We don't really trust this company like this. You definitely want to focus on do follow links. And those are links that are just telling Google, hey, this company is someone that we trust and we want you guys to rank them. So you're not even giving yourself power by having this no follow link on here. So you want to change this to a do follow link. All right. So in this video, we talked about keywords and having the correct type of keywords that your potential customers are searching for. We talked about increasing your citations. Currently, you have 35 citations. So we talked about increasing that, adding 65 more to have 100 citations. We also talked about backlinks and making sure that you have the correct type of backlinks and not just any backlinks. So you can definitely implement these 3 things on your own. However, if you want the most effective route and more information on how you can gain more clients, you can definitely reach me at 602-601-2042, or you can email me at info@phoenixmarketingpath.com. Once again, my name is Ariel Oliver, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.